Hi there. Just wanted to take a moment to walk you through how this site is structured and how you can get the most out of it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Each guide is comprised of a number of different topics, and within each topic is the various content that's been created specifically for CertifiedOnDemand.com. So if I look at the company profile topic, you can see several pieces of content, including a video, a scenario, and ultimately a quiz are listed underneath. Now, if I navigate to the company profile section, which I've done here, each section is comprised of a list of resources, and I can expand this top section to show just the resources that exist on CertifiedOnDemand.com, and then additional resources such as links to Salesforce articles or other blogs or external videos are listed under the resources below this. So let's take a look at the objectives, resources, and key facts. The objectives essentially serve as a checklist for everything that you need to know for this particular topic. So to be competent in the company profile, I need to be able to describe the various components of the company profile. And then I have a list of resources to either watch, view, take a quiz, etc. that will help you prepare for that specific objective. Now, after you've reviewed those resources, really there's two primary ways that key facts are used. One is where the key facts are essentially highlighting what you should study. And the second way that key facts are probably more commonly used is really to describe the key takeaways or the key learnings, if you will, for that particular objective. If you have studied the objective, you've read through the resources or watched the various videos, you should come away with the knowledge that's contained within the key facts, and the key facts really should serve as reinforcement of what you've learned. Now, one thing to note about resources is that they're generally listed top to bottom so that you can go through the list of resources in a chronological order. And I do recommend, there generally is a quiz for each section. I generally recommend taking the quiz at the end of the section to gauge your preparedness for the topic overall. If you take the quiz in the beginning, you're going to lose that, really ability to gauge your preparedness after you're truly prepared for that topic. Now, where resources are repeated, you will see that they are noted as such. Also, there's a nomenclature that's used for every resource. You'll see a priority listed by a length and then an accreditation. And the priority is very simple. It's either must, should, or could. Must, pretty self-explanatory. Should, if you have the time or if you're weak in that particular objective, go for it. And could is really more of a, it's listed for your information or for reference. So if you really want to take a deep dive on that topic, go for it. And then next, length. For videos, it's listed in minutes. For articles, it's either short, medium, or long. And then finally, we have accreditation, which is obviously the publisher of the particular content for this resource. And lastly, not only are the objectives and resources for each topic listed in a top-down or chronological order, each of the topics should be listed in a similar top-down or chronological order as well. So for instance, the guide will introduce, what is a field, what is an object, long before the guide talks about, page layouts or visual force, that sort of thing. So I'm always open to, new content, new ideas, new ways to structure things. By all means, leave a comment below on any page, and I'd be glad to respond to that feedback. Thanks.